Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Facebook and locating the exact post, photo, video, or page you want to inspect. Once it's open, click the three-dot menu or the item options to reveal details. This is where ownership clues appear. Look for uploader name, page info, timestamps, and any captions that mention source or licensing. If it's a page or business profile, check the About section immediately because many creators list ownership, contact info, or official links there that confirm copyright. Once done with the basic view, dig into metadata and linked sources to confirm copyright. You should read captions and comments for credits, open the photo or video details for upload history, and inspect tags or album contributors. Make sure to click the creator's profile and About sections for official contact or licensing statements. If nothing explicit appears, take a screenshot and run a reverse image search or video frame search. That step helps you trace the original upload and owner outside Facebook. To finish, decide whether you'll contact the owner or file a report. If you find the copyright owner, message them politely to request permission or clarification. Always keep records. If infringement is clear or the owner cannot be reached, use Facebook's report link and choose the copyright or intellectual property option to submit a claim. If Facebook's process stalls, save screenshots, URLs, timestamps, and export any messages. That evidence is crucial if you escalate with a DMCA notice or need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.